Koina ngasi computer memory gi makha satharakpuda takadorise koi nan primary memory nainagre duga secondary memory gi hard disk ki matang da nainagre hard disk daisida koina removable disk pack na secondary storage ta amaga nainadoini koi english ki word sagi vocabulary removable haibase sina dum min tawjaramni ko karam makangi storage device no haibase storage device ti hoijaba karam makangi removable hoiba that means computer se nangna attach tawre harga connect tawre harga sijanaba yaba nangna mukke doba mado lauthoga thamba yaba that is the removable disk koina masi hojikan gi matamda portable hard disk kane koi noi taramani portable hard disk is one of the removable hard disk ne disk pack ne koi hard disk se maroina disk mayam jigi packet oina semabdo package to aduni pack oina tawraga leirabduni ko hard disk sing se ju ikoi gi moi gi size lay tongan na removable sida ju size lay achouba macha khradi dum naigini dubu koina hojik sida like sida tamgadoribu sidi hanagi mang takta lairamba adugi size tuni sida koina hojik piriba 14 inches and haise in diameter ga maruina aikoina memory gi hek neinerakpa matamda hard disk aji kaino secondary memory ni secondary memory sida magi makhal yengakpa matamda removable disk pack haibase yengaji in large computer system hard disks are sometimes contained in packs that are removable meaning that they can be removed from the computer and replaced at will. Disk packs typically hold 6 to 12 letters that are usually 14 inches in diameter. In disk packs, all tracks with the same track number are lined up one above the other. Magi sidai laigada mongduni ko hairija. Masi hayeng nakoida kaigumba exam da true and false kumba hangeng kalaji maduda nakoina sike dauba ningsing batai sidi nakoina khangna bona batai ningsing na bona batai all tracks with heads so that both sides of the disk can be read masagi track mayam sing sida head jawi nan ge hard disk ki duga manade ko sida nan gi dun ke dauba magi surface kudingi leibani sina track khudingi ni track khudingi leitar gadi asagi read and write head se move to bagi mathau tadre sida haire sini ko next line da do the read and write heads move together and so are always on the same cylinder at the same time asagi read and write se move together kanaga to together to se asagi track sing dugani all sida is the period all tracks with the same track number line up one above the other all tracks with heads so that the both side of the disk can be read as there is the pyramid ka sini maru eriba point se nakoina ningjangadabse data that needs more space than one track is continued onto the same track on the other disks ngasai samna sida koi ke dogra sab manana line up tawi haigre number track number sab manana samna sigi cylinder sida is the track 5 ta track number 5 ta data ma record tawre hai river record si maji jaga ji chandre sigi magi leiri ba sigi cylinder sigi track sida is ta adoi tadi ke dore mathangi cylinder sida sab manaba track number 5 sida asagi data do edo we have no continue to we have ni ko sida is data that needs more space than one track is continued on to the same track on the other disk so the read and write heads do not need to move only one read and write head is active at one time, but they are very fast. Masagi read and write head sisu ke doba matamam tada ama khaktamak active oi adugu mokoi se asuki mati ke doi yamne yangi haibaduni khongjel magi ungbagi sang duni ko yangi se. When all the tracks in a cylinder are full, the read and write head moves to another cylinder. The cylinder number are used by the computer operating system to determine the data address. Cylinder number singa sina kaino koi ngasagi computers ki operating system sina determine torga thami data address ki damakta. The capacity of removable disk pack varies by manufacturer and range from 150 to 250 MB. See, koi hojikti asuki matik saugre ko. GB ROM da loina sakhrabani. Some hojikti latest market ta TB ROM da laabani. Memory ki koi size kangi ko. MB means megabyte, GB means gigabyte, ahanbada KB na lakadamni. KB means kilobyte ka. GB ki matungda TB means petabyte ka. High resolution. The total storage capacity could be dramatically increased by having a dozen or so extra pack to be interchanged with the packs in the disk drive. These are obsolete nowadays. Masidazu dum harame ko. Hausikan dike dore mase obsolete oire. Kaina the latest trend market the hausi latest market se the riba sigi matung ina ekoi gi hai riba makoi gi mechanism je yaraktre chanaraktre obsolete oire. Obsolete it is chanaraktre potuni ko. Now fixed disks. The capacity of fixed disks unit has been increased up to 16 GB. The typical capacity of fixed disk drives for desktop is 4 GB, whereas typical server will have more than one disk drive or 8 GB each. The average access time of such drives is of the order of few milliseconds, and data transfer rate of typical few million bits per second. Sagi fixed disk sing sizu ekoina seasonai magi size sing se 16 GB bongni ujupok da ladies increase tawrise koina fixed disk kumba je karino hai targadi nakoi gi phone gumba da yauriba internal gi oiba memory gan hairaga yaurидana makhoi gumba jini ko fixed toxin gi ba adu makhoi je haujikti koina disk saibe wani kedore makhoi je anamana electronic ki ekoi gi ngasai gi integrated circuit to depend torpanina makhoi jingje size sing yamna ya capacity di chaujaba aduga magi physical size sing di pixeleba ko access time ji engji hayeng hangakpu yai question da access time ji kari no gana access time ji koi ngasai gi data access to buduni karai dagi memory dagi. This is defined as the time taken to locate and then transfer data from disks into internal storage. It includes three elements, namely masagi access time ji kari na ba nangi memory da leriba do karai da leba secondary memory da leba data do locate torga transfer torpa karai da internal storage. The internal storage means primary memory da primary memories da ida puthorakpagi adugumba sangba matam do madubu kari kawi hai targadi access time kaweba mangonda element ahum khaktang yawi makoi jing adudi ahanbada kaino seek time ani subda latency time ahum subda transfer time. Seek time habse kaino yengaji this is the amount of time needed to move a read and write head to the desired track from its current position. Masagi sam na nangi read and write head se position ji sida leire sidagi masagi track leiriba data store toriba mafam ja sibogu sigi move tobuse sibo move tobuse koina kari kawi hai kan the seek time ko seek time gyan tarani ko. So now latency time is mung kari no yengase also known as rotational delay time. Masagi माजे करी हाइरगा जु खंगनै हाइकांदा rotational delay time atappa ko adubuni tapthaba matam khara gap leiba adubuni. This is the time required for the portion of the track to be read or written to come beneath the read and the write head. Nasagi tracks daisida read and write head si yore track mapa sida aduga masigi je dix unga doi nidra dix unga ungaba matamdani akoigi read and write headers na data je paba ngama kadoi je adu magi ungba hauropagi matamdo adubuni ko sida latency time or else rotational delay time and hiramise. Next, transfer time, the time taken to transfer the data from the disk to internal storage. As I say, laserami ba pose si internal si koi secondary memory the store to pose sidagi internal memory sida internal memory sida puthorok pagi time do consume to riba matam do adubu kari ko haba transfer time haba. All together sigi 1 2 3 je all together kaino access time hai isini ko gyan tarni ko se next amung yeng ase optical disc je akoina hek nei nar ko matam do optical hai basidagi akoi adum khangba hobu yare ko optical disc je maruina akoina nei na gadoi je nakoi gi hujik dvd adagi cd haujikan di cd di laitre cd je normally use taunadre dvd seasonare EBD lae ko adubu again market sidais da hujik kaidogra DVD CBD CD mayam jing se pen drive kumba koi flash drive hairaga ju khangnai ko makhoi sinoina replace tore mamangai da ju TV je koi ke dorami just koi ke doba DVD player dagi date film se tharaga yeng ba yarameba. But nowadays koi ke dore TV sing ju OTG habadi pen drive ko akoi ki pen drive se support tore OTG ji ki long form jina koi khangba yawra phone da go zik OTG support to na la ya dana ko pen drive se dai sida koi OTG yawba phone se dai sida connection tawraga phone ki internal memory tawne access tawba yaba thengnaraba na koi thengnadrakaju ngasi nongni sida thengnana bo honaro OTG haise adugo long form du ju khango matangi class da na koina hairakko ngamna bo honaro abbreviation singse adum loina khangjan ba kanai kaigino haibda hausikandi entrance exam gumba any akoigi competitive exam oiro kari oiro computer gi saruk se dum loina yawbani computer gi saruk yawba se dai sida abbreviation gumba je khara dum hangmani maru oina ka
OTG is mamo on the go hybrid ama like adu oidora
yes aduni on the go haibaduni chumi on the go haibaduni OTG haise magi akoina tawriba pose keno nangi phone se dai sida memory access tawba yanaba OTG na la TV sing sida ju akoigi type C gi koi zik connector port yawba sing sida sida OTG lakpa yawri natragana direct pen drive se support tawba yawri ko hai sing se koina optical disc kumba jing se replace to rahi ne optical disc azate kemta nate nangi ngasai gi DVD CD EBD na lai jing se makoi jing se koina optical size yeng se optical technology can overcome some of the limitation faced by user while using magnetic storage technology. Thank magnetic storage technology sidai sidai ko na season rami ba o sida magic karino haganda khatang eba costly oeba ko adu magi limitation je aduni ko yam tang ba adagi size magi ke do ba akoina khaji khaktang season ga da magi size yam chauna leitar ga di atai mayam jing du ju mu season da yarak ta ba aduga puthok pusin nungai ba transport to nungai ba portable oirakpase ngasai optical disc na oire ngasai magnetic core koigi magnetic storage technology da masi gi kharwala me ba madugi limitation nu maram oire har optical disc lakki In optical discs, a laser beam is used to read, write data on the disc. Masagi ko laser beam se. Laser beam se ko ina nahan so ida. Na koi ki DVD player se thaba matamda ray ma yawi glass macha ma dudagi laser beam achawam puthoi ne. Beam laser beam sina nangi disc ki surface to the tar matung da mangon da pitch mayam lai duni madai da data store to ni ko. Madugi data do read and write to ya handoi ne. Nasagi read and write to we have say karam depend to we hai kanangi optical disc to the tairiba mercury ka mercury oi bani makoi se aluminium oxide la kino adu mixed to bani ka madugi pot to the depend to do ni yandar ni ka the data is stored in the form of microscopic dot size masagi magi macha macha koi dot macha macha gi mong do ina lai do ni. There are about 54,000 spiral tracks on a disc. The track density is about 16,000 dpi. Optical discs can be stored video, text, music, and graphics. Nasagi optical discs is the icon stored to VR is a video to VI, text to VI, music to VI, and graphics. That means in short multimedia or in a coin of season of VI. Nasagi today is the TPI has a track per inch ko. Magi track per inch in some of the about 16,000 tracks lay haven. Masagi spirals in a disc is the spiral is in a 54,000. An optical disc is protected from rough handling by a plastic layer. Akoina disc to egg yama matamda sagi kitang tharap toba yamna zu thadaba thektok theksin ga zu kitang yaba ko flexible zoiba duguma plastic amana matakta mamaida ui ko aduga matakta na koi arang mamna kupsali ko adu boy koi maruina ojik nei nari je plastic to ni kai na da re do ni yege do je plastic ango bo mai gai du ne. Data is written on the disc by blasting microscopic pit on the surface using a laser beam. These pits are darker than the background of the shiny disc. Nasagi akoina disc se DVD se na koina hek yengo matamda mayek se koi data je yaubra yaudabra ni sam sam na koi ekta dum local gi example se seasoner se na koi na cassette am leiru matam da film yawi yaudi je koi na hypet ki yengdra ne kitang musan ba jaga du yauraga di as film yaure ga na haiba adagi adu yaurang daga di sibu film yauri ra yaudri ra khang di ga na koi da hojik adu gi concept am leibane ko asengba magni ngasagi kitang mamsal laga leiribado aduda kaidoba ngasagi laser beam duna yeiraga data adu record tawgibagi maduna machu tongan mam leibani aduga hanagi masagi laksaba machu do aduna tongan mam leibani aduna data se karai da store tawi haba matam adugi round do yengo round do maige yamadana data do akoi round do khangchau chau tho moi na maige duna khangpi pixel moi adu pixel ri do kaina kanda tangi ngasagi ungiba nangi disc optical disc na ungiba speed to madaidu da nangi laser beam duna yeiba matam da round dum sa matam da dum tabani yenga ka di koi taseng na ta ga di unga ga sum tholak ka dini sam sam nai koi na sirai na unga matam se sim si khaji khaji tholak tro tholai ko sigi tholak ko sumai na samana lai dini ba gi round se shape cha dre na keno to ko sumai na unga ga data je tholak ka dini ba aduna nangi oren bimje ke doba bimje sida leijaraga ju ungo matam sida data je tum read tor matam tholak ka doine ba re yad raga de koi data read pa matam da film je chappe as DVD re sole khole ga aise those technologies are there in computer when the laser beams okay has less power then it's very difficult to read the data from the disc and transfer to the internal memory adugi matamdu dani ngasagi nangi akoi latency wangakadoriba loina transfer speed tapakadorisi nakoi yengo kayum kanda computer sida sum pairaga yengo thengnarakini nakoi phajana computer sijanaragadi DVD player ama hapsale haraga sorry DVD disc natragana CD disc ama hapsale haraga adudagi data hard disk the copy tawbase yamna tap system thengnarakani khara thu system thengnarakani ngasagi nangi disk akoigi laptop sida yarangodoiba ODD drive to maduda yauriba re duna mapangan kan boy targeti data se tuna copy torokani otherwise natragadi yam tapkaneba ko aduga DVD du gisu magi condition yamna maka poli nasai koina sida protective layer ama oina sizinariba plastic se magi sigi plastic layer se sida scratch kuma mayam leitargadi maduzu kedoba data ze read toba matamda wagadoini. The data is read by passing a laser powerful beam over the surface, and the changes in reflectivity indicate on 1 or 0 bits. Nasai binary oibadugi ni 1 natragana 0 bits ontorakadoise. 1 jina kari haiga doiba nangi data adu lai haidoini 0 jina kari haiga doiba nangi data ado mafam hairiba jaga adu da laiti haidoineba. Adubu data laiba laitaba haibase kaino koina wangangma matamsida vocal se amuk nemba amuk wangba masai sigi lairibse sigi matungina lakadoineba. Advantages sigi engsi not as fragile as floppy disks. Floppy disks asuki matik fragile oi ko. Madumaina di taudre floppy disks tagidi masagi DVD akoigi CD DVD sini hena pare haibani optical disks sida longer lasting maze fazana thamtargadi ekone yengo DVD se ka film akoigi yonmamdai lairuraga mamai ga du kholandabida fazana thamtargadi yam kuina lairaba matungda ju tha mani gi matung sahi amagi matungda ju dum film du dum fazana yengba yabane ko maduni more storage se kanadagi no floppy disks tagini floppy disks ta kedawi ngasagi nangi floppy disks ta koi 1.44 MB sumaina laigibni CD amada laigadoise 700 MB CD 1 CD ni ko 1 CD magi storage se 1 DVD da CD ji na koi long form kamik ka compact disc saibani DVD sina digital video disc ka sumaina jo hai digital versatile disc side ga su hai aduga sigina 4.3 GB sumaina leibani ko aduna ekoi DVD sina hena chawi CD dagi floppy disk dagi di obviously compact disk sina storage chawi hele no hats required for reading writing sidai sida ngasai gi reading writing gi head to dakar oidre kari oina lae laser beam oina. The main limitation of optical storage is the data once written cannot be erased. A new technology are being developed for erasable, rewritable optical media. Masagi keno se akoi gi disk sidai sida data se once outang e gitar gadi masi ke doba amukhanna erase toba yade hai. Machine limitation je adubu haujikti new technology season ra matungda kedore erasable ohelle rewritable ohelle erasable adi ngasai kedoba sidai sida e griba pose erase toba yawa aduga rewritable haibdi amukhana amuk madugi disk to season aba yawa sigamba technology se leire ko rewritable disk koi RW gana aduna ngasai gi sidai sida mate ma lai kan sida koi makha da budi CD rom gi la ko sida dum thengnarakani ai sida amtang ga hayoge read once write many ko sigi pose kaino optical disc sigi CD rom ko si DVD gana leise sigi magi kaino ni ko definition ni sorry agi jo honor WORM oigadaba ko ai so all ulta oigre write once read many haiba yantarni ko ibadi kedoba amuktang khaktang igadaba pabadi hanjan hanjana paba yagadaba aduna sigi pose nakoi gi DVD hujik seasonariba CD bazar dagi koina cassette library dagi lairuriba adugumba pose sigi pose khangani ko
Mamo kanam tangeba CD ga DVD ga se storage nataba moi ni ya khetnabje atoba khetnabje kai kino lai
file format ta kenare Sagi magi file canary kari text kumba store to bagi di text store to bagi di khenaba leite ko video kumba even akoi gi data asida isida store to ko matamda disk anise data when store to target any nangi data store to we hai ko aduga video ina tarok target nangi cd de la ka doisina dat format la hai ko aduga DVD ki sina VOB de la hai ko sigi file format se ani je khenai karai the video da otherwise adu na tabadi nang mp3 oina store rest togera text oina togera karim ta kai de even sigi ani si su nang data oina store tog targadi kaim ta kai de ba tawudabu nang orin player am season araga DVD player natragana BCD player am season araga hairiba video do play toge hai targadi ani je sanarakte aduga technology ki matung ina asagi DVD je DVD is in a latest version never ka latest version is in a all never CD pabang amba DVD akoi ki player do DVD pabang amo eba ari boy givnina amazina ka adubu pabang amba DVD pabang amba dang na technology hardware do adudi CD ju irai na pa ne kaigino ai CD dagi DVD se upgrade lakrine ba aduna latest technology sidi hanagi older version se compatibility oigani paba ngamgani taimsung hanagi ariba technology je hardware natragana har akoigi device se sidi nangi DVD support tawroye masidi CD DVD khaktangi natte maximum anamana loina oiko aduna ekoina software go install to boma tamna ko hen ka kini compatibility issue har ka ne chana daba je maruina windows da nakoi hen tamakini nakoi gi da yauri windows operating system gi da 32 bit 64 bit ka na lei riba ko aduna chana dragadi latest technology sidi hanai ariba do adum season ba ya halakane hanagi ariba pot da di anau japchan ba ya roi adugi potu malakani okay so now next aikoina yengdoi je CD ROM ni ko timing si ju minute mari khak tang aisale okay CD ROM si bo tawrasi aduga koi haye DVD sidagi tawnaba CD ROM se compact disk read only memory habini ko ROM ji hek laktar gadi read only memory habisi compact disk read-only memory is the optical disk ni have a very large storage density. Very large size of one ini ngasai gitu nih kok 700 MB. The standard is 12 centimeter diameter. CD-ROM support up to 680 MB data capacity. 680 is a nangi data storage the pangani. Adu CD duki matak tadi 700 MB adu mirangani kok 700 megabyte. CD-ROM addressing is carried out using measurement of time and data blocks read. Minutes, second and blocks provide information to locate an item of information. A track beginning midway through the CD-ROM, for instance, is address 29:37, that is the minutes, seconds, and the blocks. A CD-ROM player reads information optically using laser light. Sidi ngasai na hogalakpuda haigibduni optical gi matangda CD-ROM gaze optical gi magi kenoni types ni varieties ni maramaduna makoi se kedoba information mangondagi data read and write toba matamda laser light se toina season agane khangani ko okay so ado itagadi akoi ngasi gi di sidai sida lepasi hayeng DVD sidagi haurasi nakoi nasu paba matamda kara patharo si patharo matungda akoi hayeng DVD sidagi tawraba matungda nakoi gi class gi haitare sigi chapter sigi section 2 sigi memory gi portion se lorani adui matungdagi di section 3 laani. Any doubts, Laibak? Rameshwari, Sanukumar? No koi doubts Laibra Laitabra?
ꯀꯩꯝꯇ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ
Okay. ꯍꯣꯏ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ PPT ꯁꯨ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯁꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯅꯤꯅ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯆꯠꯊꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯐꯔꯦ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯚꯤꯅꯤꯡ ꯁꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯤꯔꯥ
ꯌꯥꯏ ꯃꯥ
ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯃꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ
ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ
ꯁꯥꯅꯨꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔ ꯄꯨꯡ 9ꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯊꯦꯡꯃꯟꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ ओके फरे माजे लेरिरा लेद्रिरा खंद्रे एनीवेज अखोई ngasi gidi sidai sida class se loisalasi hayeng maka lautarasi ko Sanukumar sigi timing si adum yabra ngangkhatsira kamai tawsige
Yai sir sidum tawras
Okay okay fare fare adudi sidai sida tawnar tawnas hayeng adudi hayeng rasi ko
hoi sir
Right.